In this video, I'll show you how to set up continuous deployment on Netlify. First, open your web browser, go to the Netlify website, and sign into your account. Make sure your project is already connected to a Git repository on GitHub, GitLab, or Bitbucket. Next, open your site in the Netlify dashboard and click Site Configuration. Then select Build and Deploy to review your deployment settings. If your repository is connected, continuous deployment is already supported for your site. Now, verify that the correct branch is selected as your production branch. Review the build command and publish directory to make sure they match your project's configuration. Save any changes if needed. After that, make a small change to your project, commit the update, and push it to your connected Git repository. Return to the Deploys section in Netlify, where you'll see a new deployment start automatically. Wait for the build to finish, then open your live site to confirm that the latest changes have been published. Finally, continue developing your project as usual. Every time you push new commits to your connected production branch, Netlify will automatically build and deploy the latest version of your website without requiring any manual uploads. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to set up continuous deployment on Netlify. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.